Yeah, we are back at it again. So, hello guys, this is Anshuman Rao and welcome back to another video. So, this video is not going to be about any analysis, regular analysis video or any trade breakdown video. So, this video is gonna be about a complete, deep man-to-man talk as a trader-to-trader talk video. So, this is going to be a very special video. And before moving into it, I would like to thank you everyone because for the responses in the last few videos. Many of my viewers are from India, Pakistan, and I guess Bangladesh, and every one of our brothers and sisters, brothers and their sisters, um, requested me for to speak in Hindi. So I don't know much, like I'm not fluent in Hindi and I'm not comfortable in it. And yeah, when I'm introducing and sharing the things, and when I'm voice doing a voiceover in English, I'm much more comfortable and much more fluent. So yeah, like if I will be shifting to Hindi, if I will be speaking in Hindi, then the problem will be, I will be there will be, there is a I will, much time is needed for adaptation. And I guess my next 5 videos will be, for adapting that Hindi into my video. So that will take time, but we are fluent, and like I'm sharing you something in English and that is fluent and it is understandable, then it's okay. In the end, we are here to share experiences, to develop wisdom regarding the trading stuff, and to basically advance in this trading financial markets and stuff like that. So we will be moving into the video by, first and foremost thing about trading is, you have to learn everything. You have to learn everything: the economics, the macroeconomics, the microeconomics, everything. Whether it doesn't matter whether you are trading, futures, indices, forex, or commodities, or gold, oil, etc., etc. It doesn't matter. Or even if it's crypto, you have to stay updated with the news. You have to always stay updated with what is going in the markets, not only just technical analysis. You also have to focus on the fundamental analysis, the fundamental aspects of the financial markets, which is very important. It's very important because price action is okay, cool stuff. For a day trader, price action is the first and foremost important thing. Then to add more confirmation, to add more accuracy, we use order flow and stuff like that, to increase accuracy, to have the skeletal view of the markets. But the thing is, you have a complete fundamental overview of what markets are truly doing and what can affect markets, what are the probability of the what probability a news holds to affect market in a certain way, whether it will be a bullish news or whether it will be a bearish news. It depends upon the news, and you have to study that. You have to spend time with that. You have to invest, not spend, we have to invest time in that, the quality time which I'm talking about. People often think that they will just trade basis on technical analysis and stuff and they will be successful. No. If trading is a thing, trading financial markets is a thing. You people might start this as a hobby, but the thing is, slowly when you get serious into it, when you see the potential of trading, that yeah, that money is flowing and you just have to wash your hands and take some money out of the markets for yourself. It doesn't matter. You don't need that. You don't need to take out even 0.1% of the total market, what the market, the money which is circulating in the market. You don't need to even take out 0.1%. You just need to take out 1% of your capital. That's it. Not the market's capital. The markets have nothing to do with your position. The markets have don't do- doesn't the markets don't care about your account size. You just have to, even if you make 2% gain in a 1 week, that's for 8% gain in a 1 month. If you are trading prop firms, you get a very high leverage, and upon high leverage, you you know most important thing and most hard thing in trading is to maintain consistency. It's easy to gain 8% in 1 month, but the thing is it's very very hard to maintain that 8% mark in the next you know 12 to 13 months, basically in 1 year. Like in 12 months, the question is, can you gain 8% every single month, on the capital you are trading, every single month consistently? The question is that. And people don't, people fail to gain consistent returns. That's why prop firms even have this consistency rule, and they even charge extra to remove that consistency rule, to the plan to non-consistency rule. That charge very much extra. But the thing is, with consistency rule, people are not capable to pass the accounts because they are not consistent with their you know trading account, with their trading journey, with their trading strategies, with their developed risk management protocols. They are not consistent. They are not even preparing themselves for it. They are just, it doesn't matter what people do. It's the question. I will be not talking about what people do. Every beginner does the same mistake, and we also were beginners, and we know what beginners mistake do the mistakes. But the thing is, if we keep on repeating the stuff, if we keep on repeating the same mistakes, and it doesn't even matter, even if we keep on repeatedly talking about those mistakes, we will be facing those silly mistakes in our training also, even though we have passed that beginner stage. Because if you talk about something consistently, there are more likely of there is a higher, the chances of you performing that mistake becomes high. So yeah, we will be not talking about the mistakes what beginners make, but the thing is, now it's time to talk about how you can improve, basically. So the thing is, yeah, you have to study everything, pretty much everything. The interest rates data, you have to read every other article. You have to read, like, the Wall Street Journal every day, and you have to read the articles every day. And you have to, if you are lazy to browse through all those articles, you can just basically ask any AI. You can use any AI, Perplexity, Grok, or ChatGPT. You can ask any AI about the present, about the fresh news of today, related to your tradable financial instruments. So for example, if you are trading gold, you can use Perplexity AI, or you can use ChatGPT, or you can use Grok. With every day you can send the prompt, and you can seek for the present news for gold. Analyze the technique, also analyze the chart in TradingView, and tell me the future anticipated moves according to your technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and give me the recent news which are capable, and which hold the impact of affecting the market of gold, of the financial instrument. So yeah, you can use this way also. If you are lazy to browse, and you feel it's very energy consuming, because I use this way, because it's more, not because I am lazy, because it saves more time and energy. And I'm not lazy to browse. Even though I study from this AI tools, also I browse through the Wall Street Journal, and the stuff like every other articles of First Post or something like that. You have to, your feed have to be optimized in a certain way, to for a trader. As a trader, like, you have to be your Instagram account, for example. You are scrolling reels. Your reels are full of this crap shit. For example, this the dance, okay, leave that, the crappy shit, not the dance. Like, okay, it's a skill anyway. Like, I'm not against it. Like, the crappy shit, you can take any example. I cannot state those in a favorable word. But the thing is, people trade, but their Instagram feed or whether their internet feed, the YouTube feed is not optimized according to what a trader needs. So basically, yeah, that's the thing. It's also a point that you have to optimize your feed by constantly consuming the things which will be valuable for you as a trader. Like for example, go to Instagram and search for George Soros reels, go to Instagram and search for Warren Buffett quotes, and go to Instagram and search for this price actions, and the articles of Robert Kiyosaki and stuff like that. You can, when you search, Instagram will show you according to its set algorithm, so you don't have to. And the third thing is every single thing you see on social media, 90 to 95% is, it's all BS. It's all BS. The thing is, you have to, you know anybody in this world have this common sense of figuring out what is wrong and what is right. And when you see in social media, a person comes and it shows you something that is too good to be true, and money doesn't come from trees. Okay, it's the thing, money doesn't come from trees is not like, yeah, like it's easy to earn money, because but the thing is, it's easy to earn money when you know something that other people don't. That's the thing. It's easy to earn money when you know something that other people don't know. Okay, but the thing is, when a YouTuber, when a, let's say, a trading guru, so called guru, shares his knowledge, and he or she sells you a dream of, let's say, something that is, too good to be true. You like how you can make $1 million in 13 seconds, $1 million in 1 minute, let's say $50 in 1 minute. Too good to be true. How to double your capital in within 2 days, and let's say the $100 to $1 million challenge. It's too good to be true. For example, this is too good to be true, and every single one of us have this common sense that the thing which sounds too good to be true, there should be something fishy, and without any proper proof, you know you can't easily trust it. And that's the thing, you have to always ask yourself questions, and things might seem easy for you in the first, but it's not, because you, even if you see the YouTubers, the experienced traders which have this experience of 5 to 6 to 10 years, the experts, even if you see the professional footballers or professional tennis players or professional fighters, they make it look easy because they are professionals. You have to understand that they make it look easy because they are professionals, and by seeing those professionals, you jump into a stream because you feel that it's easy. That's not. You have to face failures for consecutively 2 to 3 years. After that, in the fourth year, you have to be, you might even, like, in the fourth year, if you have this enough wisdom, you can make all the money back in the last 2 to 3 years which you have lost. But the thing is, have you learned something from your failures? If you have learned something from your failures, if you have gained wisdom from your failures, you will be, making the money back which you have. The trading wisdom is very much an important thing, and it only comes from experience. The more experience you have in the markets, the more wisdom you gain. And the wisdom only comes when you spend time with the markets. The wisdom doesn't come, in the first day of trading. The wisdom doesn't come from first 6 months of trading. The wisdom doesn't comes from first year of trading. It comes after 3 years. It comes after 4 years. It comes after 5 years. When you spend enough time with the markets, you have this muscle mind connection with the, you have this muscle mind connection with the charts, with the markets, with the price action. You have this connection, you develop this connection over the years. That's the thing. And when you develop this connection, and when you master your risk management protocols, that's when you start making money. And it will only happen after years and years and years of consistency. And this was all for the video, so hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have learned something from this video. And make sure to like, share and subscribe. And most importantly, if you want to avail some discount while purchasing a funded account in Funded Next, you can use the code down. You can use the code down in the description box. And yeah, this was all for the video. Make sure to check it out, the code in the description box, for to avail some crazy discounts while purchasing a funded account in Funded Next. So yeah, this was all. Anshuman Rao signing off. Peace out.